China unveils new engine that shocks Tesla. Hello, welcome back to Luxury Life, where we talk about the luxurious lifestyles of the rich and famous. In today's video, we are going to take a look at China's new engine that shocks Tesla. If you enjoy watching our videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload new videos. Now that Tesla's Shanghai factory has reopened following China's required coronavirus lockdowns, the California manufacturer has resumed local production of the Model 3 vehicle, avoiding high import duties in the process. It is Tesla's only manufacturing plant outside of the United States. However, Tesla's mass-market EV faces other obstacles. While the new facility provides Tesla a new presence in the world's largest auto market for the first time, the business is facing increasing competition from a new crop of electric vehicle startups that are following in Tesla's footsteps and hope to capture a piece of China's expanding EV market. The Model 3 will face fierce new competition in China from XPeng Motors, which is a source of concern for Tesla because the company has to maintain a solid footprint in the nation to be profitable. XPeng was created in 2014 by Xia Heng Henry Xia, a former senior executive at GAC Group with expertise in automotive technology and R&D. Initial funders included UC Web founder and former Alibaba executive He Xiaopeng, XPeng's namesake, and current chairman and Xiaomi founder Lei Jun. Alibaba, Foxconn, and IDG Capital were among the prominent Chinese and foreign investors. Following a subsequent fundraising round in 2018, Alibaba's vice president, Joseph Chai, joined the XPeng corporate board. Beginning in September 2018, XPeng's subsidiary in the United States, XMotors.ai, held permission from the California Department of Motor Vehicles to test self-driving automobiles. Due to XPeng's failure to file a disengagement report, the permission was canceled in February 2020. In March 2020, XPeng Motors acquired a renewed autonomous vehicles testing permit from the California Department of Motor Vehicles. In designing its own electric vehicles, XPeng Motors was inspired by Tesla and investigated many of its open-source patents. The G3 SUV is also available from the firm. This month, XPeng presented its new Tesla Fighter, the P7 fully electric car. The P7 starts at roughly $33,000 which is equivalent to 229,900 Chinese renminbi, which is around 25% cheaper than the Model 3. To qualify for Chinese government EV subsidies, eligible vehicles must cost less than $42,362, prompting Tesla to reduce the price of its made-in-China Model 3 sedan by 10%. Even with the additional discount, the standard range plus Tesla Model 3 costs $38,463, which is more than the similar entry-level XPeng P7 model. Tesla Model 3 versus XPeng P7 performance. When compared to the Tesla Model 3 performance variant, the top-of-the-line XPeng P7 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. In comparison, Tesla's Performance Model 3 completes the identical sprint in 3.2 seconds. The XPeng P7, on the other hand, makes up for lost ground with its amazing range of 706 kilometers, which is equal to 439 miles, making it China's longest-range EV. The Tesla's Model 3's range, on the other hand, is limited to 322 miles. Tesla Model 3 versus XPeng P7 perks. Both the Tesla Model 3 and the XPeng P7 have self-driving capabilities. But XPeng's X-Pilot and the vehicle's X-Smart OS managed to steal the show from Tesla's American equivalent. The P7 is likewise loaded with cutting-edge technologies. The P7 is equipped with 5mm wave radars, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and 14 cameras, all of which transmit data to a powerful NVIDIA Savior computer for autonomous driving. The X-Smart OS from XPeng also gives the driver AI-powered vision and natural language voice interaction capabilities. The P7 also contains driver monitoring technology, which constantly monitors the driver's attention when the P7 is on the road. Other significant feature conveniences, including cool ambient lighting and a superior surround sound audio system, are also included in the XPeng P7, but are missing in Tesla's more expensive Model 3. Tesla's brand image is still working to its advantage, but the electric manufacturer may need to step up its game in order to compete with all of the advanced technology included in XPeng's P7 electric sedan. Back home, Tesla doesn't have as much fierce competition as it once did, but the electric automaker has been trying to restart vehicle manufacturing after the coronavirus outbreak forced plant shutdown across the United States. The problem has forced the halt of nearly all automobile manufacturers in the United States. Tesla felt it had received some good news when California Governor Gavin Newsom said that the state will relax its shelter-in-place regulations, allowing Tesla to restart operations at its Fremont, California facility. Governor Newsom's pronouncement, however, contradicts that of the Alameda County, where Tesla's manufacturing is located. As of today, the county is still refusing to allow Tesla to reopen the facility due to safety concerns related to the coronavirus outbreak, yet Tesla defied the order and restarted the plant anyway. Tesla CEO Elon Musk threatened to relocate Tesla headquarters out of the state in a series of angry tweets if the factory, which employs roughly 10,000 people, could not be reopened. It would have been a welcome respite for Tesla, which was forced to halt production in China in February due to the mandated lockdowns designed to prevent the spread of the coronavirus, which shut down all of the company's operations. However, as Tesla slowly resumes vehicle production in China, new EV startups like XPeng Motors are lifting the bar with their own technology-packed electric vehicles like the P7 sedan that cost less than Tesla's models. Other Chinese EV firms such as NIO are proposing equally creative electric cars, suggesting that Tesla's route to profitability in China may be difficult. What will Elon do next? Let's find out soon. And that's it for today's video. We hope you liked what you watched. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you get updated whenever we post new videos. Luxury Life is on Facebook too. Don't forget to follow and like our official Facebook page. See you in our next video.